Welcome! With this short video, we would like to show you how authors of empirical articles can publish the underlying data of their paper by using the upload function of the ZBW Journal Data Archive. First of all, in order to use the upload function, you need to be registered. This initial registration is done by the editorial office of your journal, if the journal is one of our partners. You will find a list of the journals that use the JDA here. The entire upload process begins with a registration email sent by the JDA. Our email is journaldata@zbw.eu. If you should have received a registration email from us, but you did not, please also check your spam folder before contacting us. In addition to a link to the full documentation of the JDA, a short documentation is attached to the email. The email also contains a link to your author profile. As soon as you click on the link, the application will ask you to set a password. Please choose a secure password. Here you can also change your username once. If you change your username, write down the new username or remember it well. The exact username is required for login. After this is done, please click on Update Password. Now you're ready to log in. To do this, click on Login in the upper right corner. Please enter your correct username and your password. The application redirects you to your personal dashboard. Here you can initiate the submission of your data. To start the upload, please click on My Journals, followed by a click on the cover of the journal for which you want to upload data. On the journal's page, please click on Add Dataset to begin the submission process. Now the upload process starts. On the first screen, the application asks you to provide some information about your entire data submission, which means about all your files and data. Let us start with the title. By default, we recommend that you use the title of your paper followed by the words replication data in brackets. In the description field, please provide some information about all the data you are submitting. For example, you can copy and paste your README file. Alternatively, you can describe your data and describe the process that led you to the results of your paper. Let's quickly go through some of the other fields. The publication year usually is the current year. If you submit the data for the first time, leave the version to 1.0. Please add gel codes and keywords if available. You can simply copy and paste the keywords from your paper. In the next field, please indicate all authors who were involved in writing the paper. To support the correct identification of author names, we have set up a lookup service. You start by entering an author's last name and you will get a list of known economists. If you are listed correctly, you can click on the entry. If you have not been identified by typing your name, but you have an ORCID, please enter your ORCID here. Alternatively, you can choose to provide your REPEC ID or one of the other supported IDs. After completing this screen, the next step is to upload the files of your data submission. On this screen, we recommend to only upload single files. Please avoid uploading zip files if possible, because zip files are difficult to store and to archive for the long term. First, you have to choose the correct resource for the upload. We offer 4 different resource types under which you can categorize your data. Data for datasets, text, documentation, PDF for all kinds of textual information, code for program code or syntax, and other for all other types of files. Please note that the metadata form changes depending on the resource type. To ensure optimal retrieval, reuse and citation of your data, please provide as much metadata on the file as possible. If you are finished with a file and want to add another, please click on Save and Add Another. After uploading each file, the application displays a confirmation message. Please repeat this procedure for each file you would like to submit. If you have many files, the upload process may take a while. If your data contains data structures in directory that must be preserved in their original form, contrary to our usual recommendations, please upload them to the archive as a zip file. Finally, when you have uploaded all the files of your submission, click on Last Step instead of Save and Add More. After clicking on the Last Step button, a new screen will open showing all the files in your submission. If some files are missing or something else is not correct yet, you can edit your submission by clicking on Manage. If all files are included and everything is correct, please click on Complete Submission to send a notification of successful upload to the journal editors. Before we send the data to the editors, you have to do one last step. By ticking the box and clicking OK, you confirm that you have read and agree to our terms of use and our deposit licensing conditions. Please read these conditions carefully. After confirming the terms of use, the journal's editorial staff will be notified that your submission is ready for review. Congratulations! You have uploaded your first data submission to the JDA. We hope you had a pleasant experience with our service. For more information about the upload process, please see our manual. You can find the manual and also our contact information on the JDA website, journaldata.zbw.eu. Thanks for watching.